Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a common fault code that can affect many different vehicles, P0113. This code indicates an issue with the intake air temperature, IAT sensor, which is responsible for measuring the temperature of the air entering the engine. In this video we'll be covering everything you need to know about P0113, including the causes, symptoms, and solutions. We'll also be discussing how to diagnose the problem and how to fix it yourself. So, if you're experiencing this code or just want to learn more about it, be sure to stick around. The P0113 fault code indicates a malfunction in the intake air temperature, IAT sensor circuit. This sensor plays a crucial role in regulating the air-fuel mixture, ensuring optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. When the PCM powertrain control module detects an issue with the IAT sensor, it triggers the P0113 code, illuminating the check engine light on your dashboard. Several factors can contribute to the P0113 fault code. 1. Defective IAT sensor. The IAT sensor itself might be faulty, providing inaccurate readings to the PCM. This could be due to internal damage, wear and tear, or contamination. 2. Connectivity issues. Loose or damaged wiring, connectors, or terminals within the IAT sensor circuit can disrupt communication between the sensor and the PCM, leading to erroneous readings. 3. Air leaks in the intake system. Leaks in the intake system can cause unmetered air to enter the engine, affecting the air-fuel ratio and triggering the P0113 code. 4. PCM malfunction. In rare cases, the PCM itself might be malfunctioning, causing it to misinterpret the IAT sensor readings and trigger the P0113 code. 5. Wiring harness damage. Damage to the wiring harness, such as chafing, cuts, or corrosion, can disrupt the signal transmission between the IAT sensor and the PCM, resulting in the P0113 code. 1. Retrieve code information. Use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve the P0113 code and any additional information associated with it, such as freeze frame data or pending codes. 2. Visual inspection of the IAT sensor. Visually inspect the IAT sensor for any signs of damage, contamination, or loose connections. Ensure the sensor is securely mounted and the wiring harness is intact. 3. IAT sensor testing. Test the IAT sensor using a multimeter to verify its resistance values. Compare the measured values to the manufacturer's specifications to determine if the sensor is functioning correctly. 4. Inspect for air leaks. Carefully examine the intake system for any leaks, cracks, or loose connections. Pay particular attention to the areas around the intake manifold, hoses, and air filter box. 5. PCM inspection. If all other components check out, consider having the PCM inspected by a qualified mechanic to rule out any internal malfunctions. The solution to the P0113 fault code depends on the underlying cause. 1. Replace the IAT sensor. If the sensor is found to be faulty, replacing it with a new, high-quality sensor is necessary. 2. Repair connectivity issues. Address any loose connections, damaged wiring, or corroded terminals within the IAT sensor circuit. Ensure all connections are secure and free of corrosion. 3. Fix air leaks. Seal any leaks in the intake system using appropriate repair methods. Replace damaged hoses or clamps as needed. 4. PCM replacement. In the unlikely event of a PCM malfunction, replacing the PCM with a new or refurbished unit might be necessary. 5. Repair wiring harness damage. Repair or replace any damaged sections of the wiring harness to restore proper signal transmission between the IAT sensor and the PCM. By understanding the causes, symptoms, and solutions associated with the P0113 fault code, you can effectively diagnose and address the issue, ensuring optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. Remember, if you're unsure about any aspect of the repair process, consult a qualified mechanic for assistance. This video will dive deep into fault code P0113, covering its causes, symptoms, and solutions. We'll explore various aspects of this code, from identifying potential causes to implementing effective solutions. A crucial step in diagnosing P0113 is inspecting for air leaks in the intake system. Leaks can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, leading to inaccurate readings from the IAT sensor. Carefully examine hoses, clamps, and connections for any signs of damage or loose fit. While less common, the PCM itself could be faulty, causing misinterpretation of sensor data. Advanced diagnostic tools are required to test the PCM's functionality and identify potential issues. If the PCM is determined to be the culprit, replacement might be necessary. Once all potential causes have been investigated, it's time to analyze the gathered data. This involves reviewing sensor readings, voltage levels, and other diagnostic information. By interpreting the data, we can pinpoint the most likely source of the P0113 code. With the data analysis complete, we can now identify the root cause of the P0113 code. This could be a faulty IAT sensor, wiring issues, air leaks, or even a malfunctioning PCM. Accurately identifying the root cause is crucial for implementing the correct solution. If the sensor itself is faulty, replacing it with a new, high-quality unit is the most effective solution. Ensure the new sensor is compatible with your vehicle's specific make and model. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper installation and calibration. Damaged or faulty wiring can disrupt communication between the IAT sensor and the PCM. Inspect the wiring harness for any signs of wear, tear, or corrosion. Repair or replace damaged sections of the wiring as needed, ensuring secure connections. If air leaks are identified, they must be addressed promptly to restore proper air-fuel mixture. Tighten loose clamps, replace damaged hoses, and seal any leaks in the intake system. Ensure all connections are secure and airtight. In rare cases, replacing the PCM might be necessary if it's determined to be the source of the problem. This is a more complex repair that should be performed by a qualified mechanic. Ensure the replacement PCM is compatible with your vehicle's specific configuration. Once the repairs are complete, it's essential to reset the P0113 code using a diagnostic scan tool. This clears the code from the PCM's memory and allows it to start fresh with accurate sensor readings. Monitor the vehicle's performance after resetting the code to ensure the issue has been resolved. The IAT sensor plays a vital role in maintaining optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. It provides the PCM with accurate information about the incoming air temperature, which is crucial for adjusting fuel injection and ignition timing. A malfunctioning IAT sensor can lead to various problems, including poor fuel economy, rough idle, stalling, reduced engine power, difficulty starting. By addressing fault code P0113 promptly and effectively, you can ensure your vehicle's IAT sensor is functioning correctly, contributing to optimal performance, fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions.